Hi, my name is Avo, founder and CEO here at Vizetto. We created Reactiv SUITE in order to help every company sell more, especially with remote. See, what happens with remote sales, it's fundamentally different than an in-person sales effort. In person, you buy because of the people sitting across the table. You create value, you build trust, you create relationships. Reactiv is about relationships, it's about trust, it's about engagement, especially in remote. Because in remote, people just go full screen with their content and pretend like they don't matter. Actually, you do matter. So in every sales activity, I don't care if you are a teacher or a coach, you're always selling. If I'm a teacher, my lesson becomes important. My students have to go ahead and learn the material. The ability for me to pull up content, ink, and highlight becomes critical because I'm engaging with you. I'm engaging by putting my content up on a glass table in front of us. It looks like it's floating and I can talk to it. It doesn't matter if you're a salesperson who is pulling up a contract. Walking you through a contract and showing you the terms and pointing out what's important is absolutely critical because, again, it builds that trust. It doesn't matter if you're a doctor or an architect. Walking you through a house or a floor plan and talking about changes and highlighting different things and aspects and walking you through and building confidence is absolutely important. And even a doctor is constantly selling because when you are a doctor, you actually have to build bedside management. Patient engagement is critical. Again, pointing out, showing differences before and after, making you as a patient feel comfortable that you're in good hands is absolutely critical. So Reactiv was built as a sales tool, first and foremost. It will help you connect, it'll help you engage, and more importantly, it'll help you convert. Check out the app and see how fast you can convert your sales process instantly using Reactiv SUITE.